don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. What are you doing? I never had me a little girl before.
You're all gonna die.
See what you did, boy?
You started a whole whirlwind.
As long as we stick together, ain't nothing that we can't handle. It's all about the family. You kids okay?
Where are you taking us? Where are you taking us, sir?
Amazing grace.
Thomas!
How sweet.
What is that? What is that?
Come on, boy.
People may not know what we say here tonight. By God, they'll remember what we did.